In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review a Roblox account restriction notice and submit an appeal for a possible false positive audio flag. If you've recently received a warning or restriction on your Roblox account, the first thing you want to do is carefully review the notice before taking any action. Start by logging in to your profile page on roblox.com. Make sure you are signed into the correct account so you can inspect the notification directly connected to the restriction. This is important because appeal requests are much easier to handle when you fully understand what was flagged and why. Once you're on your account, look for the restriction warning card or notification area associated with the moderation action. Take your time here and read the message closely. What you're looking for is the exact reason listed for the restriction, along with the specific policy standard or rule that Roblox says was violated. This detail matters because it helps you determine whether the action may have been triggered correctly or whether it could be an automated false positive. If the warning references audio, sound, or related moderation language, pay especially close attention to the wording so you can describe the issue accurately in your appeal. After you've identified that information, open the Roblox ticket portal in a separate browser tab. Keeping it in a new tab makes the process smoother, because you can switch back and forth between the restriction notice and the support form without losing your place. This also helps reduce mistakes when you're entering details from the moderation message. From there, submit an official appeal layout form if you believe the moderation action was caused by an automated false positive audio flag. Be clear and professional in your explanation. Reference the exact reason shown on the warning card and the policy standard that was cited, then explain that you suspect the detection may have been automated and incorrect. The goal is to make your appeal easy for a support reviewer to understand. As a general tip, keep your message focused on the facts shown in your account notification. Avoid emotional wording and make sure your explanation matches what appears in the restriction message. A concise and accurate appeal usually has the best chance of being reviewed efficiently. That's the full process. By checking the restriction notice carefully, identifying the exact policy reference, opening the ticket portal separately, and submitting a clear appeal, you can respond in an organized way if you think your Roblox audio content was flagged by mistake.